folks, Aaron from Bean Sprout here. Last month we went to a couple music camps and I sold all the instruments that I play. So I needed to make another one for myself quick because I've got some work this month that I need it for. So I built a new baritone for myself to begin with. And this is a beautiful curly Myrtle top, back, and sides baritone. It's from a tree in Portland. I got this from Epilogue. Cool urban lumber place in Portland. It's got a big old knot in it, which I like. Kind of surprising how curly and beautiful this board is. This is just like a tree at somebody's house or something. And then salvage fir for the neck with a walnut stripe. You know, walnut, everything else. That all comes from a tree here in Hood River. And no binding, no rosette, just going simple. And it's got a pickup and geared tuners and everything, so I've got everything I need to gig. But I wasn't going to add a bunch of extra fancy stuff when I just need to play. I also used a different finish than I normally use. It's oil, linseed oil, beeswax, and citrus oil, and it's sold by Lost Art Press. And it's I've used it on banjos before. It's a really like eco-friendly, lightweight, renewable, thin finish. It really feels like you're just touching bare wood with the most minimal protection. But it rubs out and buffs to like a really beautiful, mellow sheen. I don't think it's suitable for every single customer. But for me, for like kind of a workhorse instrument that needs to get done quick, it's nice to just get a couple coats on it and let it patina over time. And I just love the back on this. I'm not sure what makes the myrtle tree sometimes get these dark streaks. Maybe it's mineral stains or something, but it's awesome. Yeah, so that's number 741, just in time for me to go back to work. Cheers.